So you're considering buying a new construction home, and the experience can be very exciting as there are many features that you can customize. And so here in Orlando, we have many builders that offer different floor plans that you can choose from. There are many things that you can customize: the floorings, the countertops, the bathroom tiles. So imagine having that ability to customize your house and put it together as a puzzle that you can create and look into the future and have this home built. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Let's dig in. As a real estate agent here in Orlando, I work with many home buyers, and one of the things that I like to discuss is the type of products we have available in the market. We have the resale market, and then we have new construction homes. A new construction home may be good for those buyers that are in no rush to move in. They may like to customize their home. And so there are many things that we should consider when assessing what the home buyers are wants and need. A new construction home can be a good fit for a variety of home buyers, specifically for first-time home buyers who may not want to deal with a lot of maintenance and repairs. A new construction home will be a good fit for those home buyers. Since new construction home offers many features like energy efficient appliances, it's smart home features, first-time home buyers may feel more eager to buy a new construction home because of these features. A new construction home will also be a good fit for those home buyers who may want to have a warranty on the home. The builder usually offers a warranty, and so that provides a peace of mind for potential repairs and maintenance issues along the way with the house. A new construction home can also be a good fit for those home buyers who enjoy living in a specific locations and enjoy having some amenities. And since these new construction homes are being built as a planned community or developments, they tend to have amenities such as clubhouse, a gym. They have dog parks and parks for the kids to play. So you may like to consider building a new home in this type of development and community. Now that we've discussed about who will be a good fit to buy a new construction home, let's talk about the important things that you should know and consider when buying a new construction home. There are many builders, and so with that, you need to explore, you need to research, you need to discover what type of products each builder offers, and so that way you can decide the builder that you want to work with. Each builder offers different floor plans, and you need to become familiar with this type of floor plans. Your real estate agent can be your ally when doing your research and investigating about the different builders. Actually, real estate agents, they know and work pretty much every day with home builders, and they can provide detailed information about each and every one of these home builders. One of the things that I've noticed while working with home buyers that are building a new construction home is that they will go into a floor plan, they will walk the floor plan, and they will feel connected to that particular floor plan. And so with that, my recommendation is that while doing your research and exploring different floor plans, just go with those that you feel that you can live in that house and make it your own, that you will feel good. Now that you found your builder and you've chosen a floor plan, it's time to make it happen. So what happens? So the builder will actually discuss first the timeline for construction. So depending, some of the builders have different phases where they build. And so with according to the phase that your lot is located, and depending on the current phase they are building, you may have a quick turnaround or maybe longer. Some builders oftentimes they have inventory homes. That means that those homes are already in the process, in the building process. You can still choose some of the customization, for example, the colors of the cabinets, the color of the tiles. It's just that you won't be able to choose, for example, the direction of the garage. Some people like to have the garage on the left, some people have like to have it on the right. So there are things that you want and you will be able to customize in that way, but at least you have the options to have a quick turnaround depending on your time frame. Now that you have all the information about the home that you're trying to build, the builder will actually require you to be pre-approved by one of the financial institution or preferred lender. So once you go ahead and get your pre-approval, they will send you a contract for you to sign. So now that you have pretty much every single detail about the home, you know the floor plan, you know the home lot, you have the timeline, it's time for you to sign the contract. The home builder will have a representative that will prepare the contract, send it to you for signatures, and it will include pretty much every single detail that was discussed in the previous session. You will have your home address, you will have the lot number, you will have even the home color that you've chosen for this house, you will have the upgrades that you chose to have in this home, even the color of the tiles, pretty much everything, the home price, and the timeline for this home to be built. Now that the contract is signed and your financing is secure, your construction actually begins. The builder will need to get permits from the city to start the construction process of your home. But the good thing is that it doesn't matter how long it takes, your home will start, and it's gonna be exciting. If you are in town, most of my buyers, what they do is that from time to time they go and explore the progress of their home. They take pictures of pretty much every single detail that happens in their house. So moving fast forward, you get to the final walkthrough of your home. It's where you get to walk the house. The builder will actually set an appointment for you to do this final walkthrough, and you'll pretty much inspect everything, even how the windows open, the home features of the home. Come prepared. It may take a few hours for you to do this walk on the home, but it's very exciting and very important. You can even look at a video I did with a walkthrough with one of my clients. You made it to closing. So it's a very exciting process of building a house. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions or any experience at all building a house, let me know in the comments. I look forward to know what your experience was like, and see you in the next.